Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on automating your Thunder client collections using CI/CD with GitHub Actions. Let's dive in. Here's the GitHub Actions workflow file. Let's walk through it. The workflow triggers with every push and pull request to the main branch. The steps are straightforward. It checks out the repository, installs Node, sets up the Thunder client CLI, and creates a directory for reports. And here's the main part, running the collection. This is the same CLI command we used in the terminal, now automated in GitHub Actions. Next, it saves Thunder client test reports as artifacts. You can find a YAML file like this on the Thunder client documentation site. You can adjust it according to your project's need. Let's trigger the workflow by pushing the code. I'll open terminal and run git add, git commit, and git push. Now, head over to GitHub and click refresh. You'll see the workflow starting. Each step, like installing Node, and the Thunder client CLI is in progress. The run collection completed successfully, and every request passed. You can see the green tick here. Once the workflow is done, test reports are saved as artifacts in the summary dashboard. You can download the Thunder reports directly from here. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful.